Hi there, in this video, I'm going to show you some simple home remedies that you can use to dog vulvar dermatitis. These remedies are all natural and easy to follow, so stick around and I'll show them to you right now. Wrinkled dogs are more likely to get vulvar dermatitis, which causes irritation and skin lesions. Fortunately, you can avoid this problem in your dog. This blog post explains all about dog vulvar dermatitis, DVD, how it's caused, its symptoms, its home treatment, and prevention. Therefore, if you have a four-legged pal, you should keep reading. What is dog vulvar dermatitis? Vulvar dermatitis is characterized by vaginal irritation, secretion, lesions, or pain, along with ulcers around the vulvar lips in some severe cases. This condition causes severe itching, and as a result, the dog will often and persistently lick the affected region. Home remedies for canine vulvar dermatitis. You may attempt several home treatments for dog vulvar dermatitis at home. They are a complete fix. If you see any early signs of a dog's vaginal infection or inflammation, you might try treating the condition with one of the following remedies. Add probiotics to dogs' meals. The primary objective of administering probiotics to a dog is to eradicate any diseases potentially hazardous to its health from the dog's body. Probiotics have been demonstrated to be beneficial in treating and preventing vaginitis in dogs. They are beneficial bacteria that can contribute to the suppression of the growth of pathogenic bacteria. Applying apple cider vinegar to the affected area. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, can destroy any harmful bacteria in your dog's affected vagina. So, you can also use ACV for vulvar dermatitis. You can dilute ACV home remedies for dog vulvar dermatitis with a significant quantity of water, mix it, and then spray it on the affected regions. Change your dog's diet. The dog's nutrition, allergies, and food sensitivity may all play a role in vulvar inflammation. Therefore, you should provide your dog with high-quality food that is packed with protein. Avoid feeding your dog any food that has fillers or additives of any kind. You might also choose to take supplements that include omega-3 fatty acids in order to prevent skin sensitivities or inflammation. If you are unsure about the type of food that should be given to your puppy, you may discuss it with your trusted veterinarian. Vaginitis in dogs may be avoided entirely by consuming a well-balanced diet in terms of the amounts of protein and fiber it contains. Give them a good bath. The accumulation of germs is the primary factor in cases of vulvar dermatitis. Bathing your dog thoroughly and appropriately is the most effective preventative measure you can take against canine vaginitis. Keep the home clean and dry. When treating your dog's vulvar dermatitis at home with natural medicines, you must keep the environment where the bacteria dwells as clean as possible. The best way to avoid vulvar dermatitis in your dog is to maintain a clean environment for him at home and in his living space. Apply coconut oil. Coconut oil readily alleviates the pain/itching in your pup's body coat and provides a soothing effect on the affected area. Additionally, coconut oil is cheap and readily available. Clean with unscented wipes. If your canine companion pup is suffering from vulvar dermatitis, you will notice a discharge that has an odd tint. Using unscented soft wipes, you should be able to remove them quickly. Bear in mind, however, that treating adult dogs with canine vulvar dermatitis at home is an altogether different ballgame than treating puppies with the same treatment. It would be beneficial if you avoided wiping their genitalia. Wiping or cleaning that region of an adult canine just alters the pH level, in contrast to what happens with puppies. In mature dogs, treatment for dog vulvar dermatitis should preferably begin with a visit to the local veterinarian. Causes and symptoms of dog vaginitis. Other dog vulvar dermatitis treatments you should know about. Treating the problem at home with homemade therapies is the best option in mild cases of dog vulvar dermatitis. If, On the other hand, it occurs more frequently than it should. It may be a sign of a more serious condition. In that case, you should take your puppy to the veterinarian, who will likely recommend one of the following treatments for your canine friend. Antibiotics. If your veterinarian determines that your dog has vulvar dermatitis due to any bacterial infection, he or she will prescribe safe medications for canines. Even though the dog's symptoms appear to be improving, it is still essential that the medication is given regularly and that the whole course is completed. Anti-inflammatory medication and hormone replacement treatment may be additional medications that your doctor may recommend. Elizabethan collar. Your dog will not be able to lick the wounds if the Elizabethan collar protects them. Therefore, this collar is most effective for treating vulvar dermatitis in dogs. Spaying. If vulvar dermatitis in canines is chronic, home remedies do not work anymore. In that condition, spaying might help. Surgery. Vaginal reconstruction surgery is the best treatment choice when the illness has reached its most severe stage. The initial cause of canine vulvar dermatitis would also be considered a factor in this case. Surgery is the best choice when there is a structural/hereditary abnormality in the dog's genitalia. Topical medication. You might find that applying some ointment to the dog's vagina's afflicted regions helps ease the itching, pain, or discomfort. Always be sure to utilize topical drugs that are designed for canine usage. You should visit your veterinarian before giving your dog any home remedies for vulvar dermatitis. Your vet may be able to provide you with some pointers that are tailored to the needs of your dog in particular. In order to arrive at an accurate diagnosis of canine vulvar dermatitis, it is common to practice doing blood or urinary tests, as well as cultures of the urine or vaginal discharge. In addition, by providing a medical expert with your pup's disease history as well as its present symptoms, they will be better able to arrive at a diagnosis, which will result in therapy that is both more successful and more expedient. Dog vulvar dermatitis home remedies. Conclusion. Dogs with wrinkles are more susceptible to developing vulvar fold dermatitis, but dogs can develop it due to any UTI infection, zinc intoxication, or hormonal issue. On the other hand, there are some protective measures that you may do to reduce the likelihood of your dog developing this ailment, such as providing your dog with a healthy, nutritious meal and keeping them clean and dry.